In this video, I want to implement NFS-based storage pool inside the KVM by using virsh. Here we have server 1 that I installed livret inside that, and also we have a NFS server that is a Ubuntu server that I installed NFS kernel server inside the Ubuntu server for providing it as a NFS inside my network. Here I connected to the NFS server. You can see we have a share folder here. At first we should make this share folder. After that we should give them permission. Actually here I remove our restriction from the NFS share folder for accessing our resources and our user to this folder from the network. Finally, I should modify this file and put this command inside the export file. This is my IP of the NFS server and defining how access to this. After that, we should run this command around before. And we start the NFS kernel server service. After that, we should go to the livret server and create this folder for putting XML files inside that. You can see here we have XML files. And here hostname is my NFS IP. This is my share folder, and this is the link inside my livret. It's the soft link to this link inside the network. After that, by doing this command, by doing virsh pool define inside the livret, we try to define NFS pool, but before that I have to try and verify what is this inside the storage section. You can see we have NFS pool and I created it before. I should remove it. XML file. Now I create the NFS pool. Try to start it. Modify it to pool auto start. Run server again. By getting information about the NFS pool, we can do this command. You can see all of the information here, but inside the virt manager we have NFS pool. Now I want to check it. I go to the NFS server and try to make file, and I want to see in the creat manager. Here inside the NFS server, inside the share folder, I created new file. I want to test it. I want to see this file inside the KVM manager. Try to refresh that. You can see it's appear here, and my NFS pool now working, and we can use it as a storage or a storage for creating new VMs inside NFS.